With the national focus on water saving and protecting our water resources, 777 Envirobore provides a safe solution to protecting your water quality. 777 Envirobore is organic, non-toxic and non-corrosive. The storage and handling of 777 Envirobore is non-hazardous and, being readily biodegradable, provides significant benefits over traditional bore cleaning products. Are you experiencing any of the following? Iron bacteria buildup, calcification, poor pump performance, blocked sprinkler or drippers, reduced water flow, red stains on buildings, algae growth in stock troughs, dams or ponds, foul odours from water supply, high maintenance costs. What is iron bacteria? It's a microorganism which lives and grows in groundwater distribution systems. Slimy, rust-coloured biofilms are produced which cause many problems. Iron bacteria deposits increase the costs of pumping, repairs, maintenance, and in some cases can result in the drilling of a new bore. In these pictures, you can see the significant difference in the before and after result when you use 777 Envirobore. 777 Envirobore is a high-performance cleaning agent for breaking up iron bacteria deposits. It contains no metallic or acid-based products, including oxalic acid, and is readily biodegradable, non-toxic and non-corrosive. The product will not harm stock, waterways, soils, grasses or plants when used as directed. Centre pivots can easily build up iron bacteria muds, which affect water flow, sprinklers and irrigation coverage. The result shown was achieved using a relatively small quantity of 777 Envirobore. Algae in water troughs, dams and ponds can be an ongoing problem. Treatment with 777 Envirobore cleans up and controls algae growth if used as directed, with no effects to water quality or stock. 777 Envirobore comes in a range of containers, from 5 litre, 20 litre and 200 litre drums to suit your given application. This chart provides the recommended dosing rates of 777 Envirobore. For optimal performance, 777 Envirobore is best used in a pump cycle or when the water is agitated to assist the breakdown of iron bacteria or algae. For applications where iron bacteria can reoccur, regular dosing ensures your bore and pipework is protected from iron buildup and other contaminants.